got to start going. It ain't never nice when the jailbird gotta sing. Oh, we can free them all the ones that's doing time for no reason because of a set-up system. All the ones that's in there for some more petty.
Larry fucking Beats, nigga.
Jailbird sing. Break them off so we can fly away. Brand new wings. That's how we clean these things. Jailbird sing. Summer, winter, spring, and fall. Jailbird sing. Jailbird sing. Let's break them out of these traps and things. Free a man, free the whole gang. Wax jailbird sing. Let my people go. They ain't did a goddamn thing. What you holding for? You and I know both. Too much bro, too much stuff for the kin folks to swallow. Jailbird sing. Freedom kings. Jailbird sing. Release the king. Too many bad things don't happen.
Larry fucking Beats,
Time to
nigga.
free the jailbird so they can sing. Time to make a man back king. Time to put him in the right place where he's supposed to be. It's time to set the jailbird free. Jailbird sing. He got the queen at home waiting on the king. Time to fix the thing. Jailbird sing. All she can so they can free you. Let you out the slum. Let you out the can. So that you can go home and be a man. Jailbird sing. This is an ordinary thing for the jailbird to sing. Let 'em go, let 'em go. He got a family at home. Don't need to leave him alone. Jailbird sing. How did the law get fucked up and lock up a king? Time to let him free. Let him go so they can fly free. All the jailbirds back
fucking
on the
Beats, nigga.
street. Jailbird sing. Get you out of your worst dream. Jailbird sing. Here comes the king. Here comes the king. Jailbird sing. Here come. Let him sing. Jailbird sing. Free the kings. Free the kings. Jailbird sing.
Got Trey Rick. Trey Rick.
Jailbird sing.